Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is July 23rd, 2025, and we're diving into CME Group's latest earnings report for the second quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss CME Group's performance, especially given their record-breaking results this quarter.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. CME Group reported a record revenue of $1.7 billion for Q2 2025, up 10% from the previous year. John, what are the key drivers behind this impressive growth?
The growth is primarily driven by a 16% increase in average daily volume, reaching a record 30.2 million contracts. This surge in trading activity has significantly boosted their revenue and profitability, with operating income hitting $1.1 billion and net income at $1.0 billion. On an adjusted basis, the earnings per share came in at $2.96, beating the analysts' forecast of $2.90.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Moving on to operational efficiencies, CME Group's clearing and transaction fees totaled $1.4 billion, and market data revenue was $198 million. How does this position them for future growth?
CME Group's strong cash position of $2.2 billion and their ability to generate substantial clearing fees and market data revenue provide a solid foundation for future investments and growth. Despite having $3.4 billion in debt, their financial health remains robust, allowing them to continue expanding their product offerings and technological capabilities.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, analysts had forecasted an EPS of $2.90 for this quarter, based on a survey of 11 analysts. CME Group reported an adjusted EPS of $2.96. What does this tell us about the company's performance?
This EPS beat by 0.06 cents indicates that CME Group not only met but exceeded market expectations. This performance reflects their strong operational execution and the increasing demand for their products, particularly in futures and options trading. It also highlights their ability to manage costs effectively while driving revenue growth.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. CEO Terry Duffy mentioned that demand for CME Group's benchmark futures and options reached an all-time high. Can you elaborate on the strategic initiatives that contributed to this success?
Absolutely. The record average daily volume of 30.2 million contracts is a testament to their strategic focus on expanding their user base. Notably, the number of new retail traders increased by 57% year over year, contributing to a record micros ADV of 4.1 million contracts. This demonstrates the growing appeal of their products to a broader audience, which is crucial for sustained growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, CME Group has delivered an outstanding performance in Q2 2025 with record revenue and earnings per share. Their strategic initiatives and operational efficiencies have positioned them well for future growth. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
CME Group's strong financial performance and strategic focus on expanding their market reach make them an attractive investment. Their ability to consistently beat expectations and adapt to market demands is commendable. Investors should keep an eye on their continued growth in trading volumes and product innovation.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on CME Group's performance in the comments below.